Hello there, traders. I hope you're going extremely well. Just thought we'd jump in today as it is our wonderful Elite Backtesters Day. We're going to be sharing some charts. I'm going to remove this screen off here. Hi, guys. I hope you're going extremely well. Been a long time. Hope everybody's well. I'm going to invite Vlad onto the stream in a couple of seconds. We're going to be talking about the Elite Backtesters and the best setups that we've had most recently. Like I said, been a while, guys, so I hope everybody's extremely well. Let's say hello to a couple of people in the comment section, in the chat. Jimmy, hi, Amanda, how are you going? Anthony, how are you going? Philippi, Crypto J, BD, how are you all going, guys? So nice to see you. Yep, so like I said, it's been a bit of a long time. We've been working on the strategies themselves to make them more profitable, the actual bots. We've been building some AI and building a website to make sure everything's easy to understand for everybody to get started as bot traders. I'm going to go over to my screen and I'm going to invite Vlad on if I remember how to do this because it's been such a long time. Hi, Vlad. How you going, mate? Nice to see you.
Hello, David. Hello, everybody. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Thank you very much for having me here.
Nice to see you, mate. So Vlad is our community manager, but not only, guys, he's also helps us to go through the charts. He also trades algorithmically as well with bots. He also spends a lot of time in what we call the Elite Backtesters section, where we're finding the best settings and sharing them with each other inside of Discord. So has a huge role inside the David Tech community, and also he streams with me occasionally as well. So yeah, big role there you have, Vlad. Lots of work.
Big role, big man, right there.
Are you Romanian, Vlad? We have some questions already for you, sir.
Yes, I'm Romanian.
Yeah. Hey, Vlad, lots of people know you from your streams, obviously, in Discord.
Felipe, yeah, he's a renowned member from our community. Yeah. Nice to see you here.
Hi, Felipe. Nice to see you.
Also, everyone else, Henrik, Crypto J, I mean, everybody. Nice to see everybody.
Nice to see everybody. Yeah, like we said, it's been quite a while that we haven't streamed in a while. We've been trying to make the website and, like I said, the strategies more robust and more profitable, which I think we can safely say that we have managed to do. A lot of profitable traders in the David Tech community now, which is pretty cool. We're doing all right. We're doing all right. So very quickly, we're going to go straight over to this small presentation I put together. First of all, I'm going to give a little bit of a disclaimer. We're not in the slightest, it's at the bottom. We're not in the slightest financial advisors. We're just here debunking trading strategies, going through charts and presenting our own ideas for our own trading strategies. We then turn them into bots and make them widely available on the David Tech website. You can see all of them on the site. They have as many stats as I possibly could have thought of to, make your eyes fall out. I mean, there's so many stats there. It's unbelievable. You can see max drawdown. You can see profit factor. I show you the live trading versus the back test and all of that inside the David Tech website, but not in the slightest financial advice. As Bitcoin is rising, guys, also we have a lot of fake Davids in there. I will never, ever ask you for BTC or anything like that. You can join the David Tech website either by signing up for an exchange, or you can pay directly on the website if you prefer. But I will never reach out to you, DM you, or ask you for your crypto. They aren't me, unfortunately. There's a lot of them, and there's not really much I can do about it. So my apologies, but unfortunately, well, it isn't me. So yeah. So But on this stream, we're going to be going through the elite backtesters. We're going to be giving back some wonderful cash to the wonderful members of the elite, the people that have helped us find the best settings. We've been optimizing settings in the elite backtesters for around a year and a half now, I reckon it is. Is that right, Brad? About a year and a half?
Actually, a little bit more than that.
Yeah, maybe a bit more than that. But let's say a year and a half. And we come up with settings that look like this one here. This is an OB setting that a lot of people have traded. Actually, Vlad made this one even better. I think it was like 4,000%. He reduced the max drawdown and increased the profit. So we're optimizing together to try and find the best settings for bots. We also use AI to generate the best strategies that we possibly can. And I'll be inviting AI into these live streams a bit more as well, because the AI that we built actually has its own voice, a bit of a personality, and it'll be able to answer questions about the strategy that it's building in the background in the future.
As a side note,
yes, we have yes,
if possible, this optimization has been done in June. So all the performance metrics that you see in July and August, they're pretty much live trading, believe it or not.
Yeah, just we're going to bring it up. We're going to talk about this one a bit later. Yes, so some of this is live trading. So when did you say, Vlad? June?
It was optimized in June. So July and August, so far 2 months in a row, has been profitable. You can actually go, I believe, in the strategy boilerplate. And or you can do that with the
90 days.
Indeed.
90 days. Yeah, look at that, 221% in 90 days. Incredible. And that's live testing. Well, not live trading. A lot of people are already live trading this, and you can find a couple of the leaderboards on Blowfin and Bybit are now a lot of the David Tech members, which is absolutely wonderful. I'm very proud of that. And a lot of the heavy lifting is being done by one of these strategies on ARB, because they are doing fantastic. When you see that it's currently at 63% win rate, profit factor of 2.64, and we have 221%. Absolutely insane. What a wonderful strategy.
David, also linking to that question, there you go. That's pretty much 3x, an extra 200% profits. There you go. Question answered.
Absolutely. So there are people that have done it in the community. There's lots of people that have done it. I mean, you can go in and you can see there's lots of screenshots of people's equity curve inside of David Tech. Lots of people have done it. I personally have 2x'd several accounts since the beginning of the month. Almost 2x, 10,000 to 18,000 in a couple of months. 1x, sorry. So it is possible. A lot of people have done it, but we can't obviously promise it. It's not something I can promise. Bots will trade what the bots will trade, and it's something we can't promise. Obviously, it'll be a bit more risky. You'd have to use more leverage. You'd have to use more equity from your account. I currently use 1% to 3% on my trading strategy and a maximum of 10x leverage. The reason I don't go a bit more degen is number one, my personality. I'm not a degen person myself. And number two is that I'm doing it live in front of everybody. I do have a couple of other accounts that are slightly more degen, nothing like some of the other members in the David Tech community. But I am doing it in front of everybody, so I do have to be a little bit more careful and not liquidate my accounts or whatever. So, can you go over how to find good bots to use? Yes, indeed, we can. We certainly can. Let me just go through. I suppose we could do that. I was going to just go through very quickly Bitcoin and things like that, but let's get straight into the meat and potatoes of how to find some strategies on the website. The Bitcoin is currently, as we all know, is going sideways. Well, not sideways, but ETH is certainly pumping. But since the CPI news, we certainly haven't had much of a pump from Bitcoin. Let's go over to the website. I'm excited by this part. So we're going to go over. And I know that I'm going to have a problem here. I'm going to have a slight problem. I'm going to have a problem showing you because I'm on a VPN at the moment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the question to the side. I'm going to open a VPN and find the website on the VPN for you guys, and then what we'll do is we'll go through the question in 2 seconds time over here. There we go, over there. I put that over there. Good start to the stream, hey? Let's go like that over there. Wonderful. Okay. Right. We're gonna have to do that in a minute, guys. So finding a good strategy. If I had it open, I'd be able to get there to you. Finding a good strategy. I'll go back to the question in a couple of seconds. I'll pass over to Vlad. I'll move over to a different VPN and we'll go over to that question in a couple of seconds. We have a PDF. PDF isn't really a PDF. It's actually an Excel spreadsheet. This over here, let me find the Excel spreadsheet and I'll put that also in the comments for you guys. So you can see the Excel spreadsheet. The Excel spreadsheet, which I thought I pulled up. No, I didn't, obviously. Let me go over here. The Excel spreadsheet, what that is just my bots. This is another way of seeing some of the David Tech bots over here. So you can see the Excel spreadsheet that I'm putting together. What this Excel spreadsheet does is it downloads all of the David Tech strategies here into an Excel spreadsheet. I'll put this into the comment section for you guys. So it downloads all of the David Tech strategies with all of the results. So you have the number of days that it's been live trading, how long it's been live trading for. You've got win rates. You've got live trades on live win rates and back-tested win rates. We have the number profit 7 days, 30 days, and 90 days. We have some more information here when it was last updated, and tons of really good stats. You can see all of that there. But I've also put on here an area where I put in the strategies that I'm currently using to build an equity curve. I'll go through the equity curve that I've currently got at the moment on Bybit. But yeah, so I'm using these strategies here, but I'm going to be adding 1 or 2 per live stream. So I'll add a new one today as well after the live stream, so you can go through them and add and find the ones that are good for you. This one here has been trading extremely well. The Pepe strategy, as you can see, 475% in 90 days. Absolutely insane. I'm obviously using less leverage, so it's less than that currently at the moment, but it is doing absolutely fantastic results. If you go here, you can also see my trading account, which I'll be sharing also another screenshot in a second. Let me go over here. Let me put this into the chat for everybody to see. We'll follow along. There it is there. So as you can see from my Excel spreadsheet, you can see, this Excel, the Google Sheet, you can actually see all of my equity curve. It started way before this. It started all the way back in January. We started off with $10,000 in January. I ended up putting $10,000 back in on March the 16th. So it was $20,000. And yesterday I added another $10,000, which you can see that's why that's a huge wick there, is because I added another $1,000 onto the account. So currently we're up for $39,000 on a technically $20,000 account, but I added $10,000 yesterday, so obviously there'll be a bit of a bias on there. My idea is to make $1 million within 4.4 years, from 20K all the way up to $1 million. Currently we're about, I think this is all updates automatically from my, I don't do this manually. This all updates. So it's currently compounding around 13.75% through January to August. But I aim for like 8% monthly to be able to get to $1 million in 4.4 years. And you can see my calculation on the calculation. So there you can find some of the actual bots that I'm running and my plan on how to get from $10,000 to $1 million in 4.4 years. Hopefully we'll do it quicker, but don't want to give expectations. I think that 8% is a good number. I think that when we were in a more of a bearish situation, I think that 8% was roughly what most of the members were at when they were at, if I remember rightly. Yes, was that a yes? Be good.
Yeah, that was yes. So I was checking out the check at the same time.
No problem. Yes. So then you put in 20K before. So yes, I put 10K in. So it started off at 10K. It was very last week of December time last year. Then I added another 10K. which meant that this was 20k. Started at 20k. I had 2 accounts, 10k and 10k, and then I had then I added 10k this week. So that's why there was a jump in March and a jump in August, which you can see over here. Unfortunately, the dashboard didn't exist until sort of halfway through the year, and of course, because of my VPN, I can't see it. So, oh wow, well done, David. Should have done that. Anyway, yeah, all good fun, all good fun. Anyway, right. So yes, so you can see that all on my Excel spreadsheet. I'm gonna have to sort out this VPN before coming out onto live streams. I shouldn't have connected before. It was great. Yes, thank you, Crypto J. Yeah, we're doing well. We're doing good. I think I'm not doing the best. I'm not the best trader in our group. There certainly is a lot better. I've seen accounts go from like a couple of $100,000 to $100,000 to $6,000-7,000 in a very short period of time. And I'm not the most aggressive, but my aim is to do this here. So I'm trying to do it as we go along. Might also open a couple of accounts. I had these accounts here that I'm adding. One of them is on 2bit, one of them is on Blowfin. And my idea is to test different exchanges as well to see how liquid and how they're doing as well. How long for $100 to $1 million? Well, we could have a look. Let's go. Okay, so we go over here. If we had $100, let's compound at the wonderful 13% per month. Compounding is absolutely 100% our superhero here. I mean, $100,000 in 5 years, and then it's going to go fast. I mean, it will go for very fast afterwards. Let's go 8 years. I mean, it'd be 12 in 8 years. 5. I did 5, didn't I? I think it was 5 that I started with. I mean, you're not far. 6 years. Let's go 7 years. So you're 7 years for 7 years, or between 6 and 7 years until you can get from 100 to $1 million. But more realistically, I think even 8% is hard for most traders. So it's going to take us some time. Once you get past $100,000, there you go. 10 years. 10 years on 8%. Cool. Guys, right. So like I said, we're here to talk about the elite backtesters. We're going to be giving back some of the wonderful cash to the wonderful people of the elite backtesters. I think I went through everything I've been through my bots. So currently I have more than 31 bots running on my account. I've got these ones here. Very recent trades was this ARB trade here. We hit this stop loss twice, but it did get quite a few wins in a row. 3 wins in a row, 1 loss there and 1 there. We have actually got a better setup, which was Vlad's one here, which I might be using on 2bit instead. Because when you look back here, it actually went through, it had 4 wins in a row. And then this had 2 losses, 1 win, 1 loss. So I think I've been going through the trades. I think this one's actually doing quite a lot better than the one that we're currently doing at the moment. Although, who can complain about the one that we're currently doing? I mean, it's been absolutely amazing since for quite a long while. I mean, I don't know. I saw that Ronnie was in the. There's like 4 or 5 people in the leaderboards. We have Ronnie, who's in the leaderboard, max profit. We have Reed, obviously, in the leaderboards on Bybit and Blowfin. I know there was another one this week. Well, I can't remember. Yeah, but we're doing pretty well. We're doing very good. We're doing good. Currently, there's 1,200 strategies on the website that you can see in that Excel spreadsheet that I shared with you at the beginning. 1,200 strategies on there. Wouldn't suggest trading them all, but just by going through the Excel spreadsheet, you can go and find the actual strategies yourselves, go through them. You can filter, you can copy them onto your own Excel, and it will update as the website updates, because there is 100 new strategies coming out today. At the end of today, maybe tomorrow morning, there'll be 100 new strategies going onto the website, and these are killer ones. I mean, Vlad showed me the results. They are. We've gone from last year where we were doing an okay job at optimizing to insane insane results. I mean, lots of altcoins. There isn't that many like the big BTCs or anything like that, but some of these things. I think this is the tab that you sent me, Vlad. Look here. Let's have a look at some of these. I think some of these are ones here. I mean, is it? Correct me if I'm wrong. Are these the right ones, Vlad? We've got Algo.
If you could
Pippy.
open one and look at the name.
This one here.
Yeah. Look at the name and edit the name, so you can see.
Okay,
we'll
go rename. Rename name.
Okay.
06.
June.
Yeah.
Submitted in June. So July and August performance are live trading.
Live trading. I mean, look at this one here. I mean, straight off the bank. I mean, July, August. Incredible. 64% win rate. We've got Pippy, another one on Pippy, which has been absolutely amazing anyway. Magic looking great. ARB, 2 ARB setups. No, there's about 5 ARB setups. The algos love the ARB. We've got near HBAR looking amazing. July, August in the green, all looking amazing. So yeah, all of these have been added to the website today. Tomorrow, this one here, I'm definitely going to be trading this one here. Look at the month. Look, every month except for 2 in green. Every month, looking fantastic. I mean, the equity curve looks amazing. Number of trades. Let's have a look at buy and hold. I mean, look. I mean, if you would have purchased here, would be all the way down here, and with this, you'll be up 465%. Absolutely incredible. Inactive is an odd naming. No, so inactive, what that is it's really a naming convention for Vlad himself. What it is it means years that ago. It didn't take any trades. Yeah, years ago. It was, what it meant was that it didn't take any trades from the point that we put it into forward testing up to the day that he presented it on YouTube. So it wasn't, so it no longer really has any effect on. What do you mean? Sorry. Yes. So yeah. So you can completely ignore that. It was an old naming convention. I mean, we're as good at naming here at David Tech as OpenAI are at naming their chat GPTs 4 zeros after they've released 4.5. So we're as good as them. We're geeks. We're definitely we're there. One BTC setup and then an LDO setup as well. They're looking absolutely amazing. Can't wait to get these out onto the David Tech website. Look at this one, Vlad. I know you've seen them because you've been drooling over these charts for 2 months.
On 2 sides.
Yeah. But that certainly gives, fantastic results. Right, guys, I've spoken enough. I'm going to kind of now just make sure that I haven't forgotten anything from here to make sure very quickly. Key to success is diversification. Make sure you do not trade only one bot, because one bot means that you're just going to be reliant on the signals of one bot, and if it does fall apart, it has no other way of getting out of drawdown. You're trading. I trade, like I said, like over 30 bots. Not suggesting that people do that straight away, but 7 to 10 bots on an account is what I consider a good diversified account. Well, it depends on the strategy, obviously, what you've added on it, but try to diversify as much as you possibly can through time frames, coin pairs, max drawdown, margin, and leverage. So don't rely only on one bot, because it certainly will not be. There's a lot of people using the ARB bot at the moment, just that one by itself. But I think that the key to success is diversification. Holy Grail, as Kevin Davey puts it, is in the diversification, is the holy grail of all trading strategies. One very quick one is that we do have an exclusive deal with 2bit. I'm going to be trading on 2bit. They've got some really cool trading bonuses as well. You can find the links down in the description below. I'm going to be participating in their trading competitions in the future as well. I'm going to be testing and trying the David Tech strategies on 2bit. They've been a long time partner with David Tech. They've helped me out quite a lot. And now they're on TradingView, which makes it much, much better for us. It makes it so much better because it means we can backtest the trading strategies. They haven't got as much data as some of the other ones, but it does mean that we can backtest on the other exchange, get as much data as possibly can, and then we can take it over to the 2bit exchange as well. So that we also have negotiated with them as well to reduce the fees, because fees are things that like eat away at your edge. You don't see it but it is one of the very important metrics, which is to make sure you've got as minimum amount of fees as possible for each trade. So they have for anybody that signs up with the link down in the description, they will have less fees for you guys. Over to Vlad. Vlad, I'm going to go over to you, mate. Once again, I've managed to talk my way through around 25 minutes of a stream, which was going to be all about you. Sorry, mate. I was just excited to get back.
No problem. I guess I do need an introduction, and I really appreciate the 20-minute long one. Right. So jumping into my share screen very quickly. Let's see.
While he's doing that, so Vlad's going to be going through the Elite Backtesters. The Elite Backtesters is a sub-community inside of our Discord where we're all sharing and finding strategy settings together. Vlad's going to be going through the winners of... Vlad, remind me the dates. The winners of...
strategies which have been submitted through June, and we have tested them in July and the available of August, the 12 days.
Fantastic. Fantastic, mate.
Fantastic indeed.
Yes.
So, as David has stated in the beginning, that's exactly what it is. It's the Elite Backtesters Review, the June edition, which will take strategies submitted through June and see what they have done in July and August, the 12th day of August. Also, some new charts added to the David Tech database of TradingView charts. Also, a short introduction towards the newcomers in case here somebody has no idea what the Elite Backtesters are. The rules were very simple. We've been taking, again, summaries from June, and that's pretty much it. Most profit wins. That's what we are here, right? It's basically all about profits. Also, one quick rule would be that the percent profit should be higher than the maximum drawdown. It makes sense. Extra prizes will be delivered for for example, one of them was the best profit factor, with of course a minimum of 3 trades. Also, an extra prize for beating the buy to hold ratio. I believe buy to hold ratio is very important, that some of our strategies must achieve at least that. Other than that, I mean, you could have just buy the coin and hold it, right? But if you have a bot which actually beats that, I mean, it's sweet heaven. Also, another small rule was that same prizes do not stack. This would be the prizes list. The best one in profits would be a quick prize of $300, very easy. Second place $200, third place $100. Just if in case you have made it through $50, and again a small extra of $25 for the best profit factor ratio, for the beating buy to hold ratio, and so on. David, could you please give me a drum roll?
I can give it a go. Hopefully I've managed to download a decent drum roll. Can you hear it?
Yes, I'm good. Waiting.
Yeah.
Congratulations, everybody. So here would be the list. We have FX 156 in the top place. He has generated, I mean, his setup has generated over 110%. Do you believe that? I mean, you don't even have the compounding. Like our compounding effect in performance over the last months would be that it resets at the beginning of each next month. So it's actually a little bit higher than that, 120%. I'll show you because I also have all the charts. Also, some of the OG members. We have here Soperator, we have Gentle Sir, we have Zorba the Greek. Myself as well is in the charts, but of course I'm going to disqualify myself, and all of the prizes that I make are going to be redistributed towards better contests and a lot more in the future. Gentle Sir, against Operator, Yale 01, Jerry B, and of course again the winner FX 156. Let me just go quickly through the charts. Again, indeed, congratulations guys, amazing. So here would be the first one. In just 40 days, we have generated 24% with the compounding in the whole 40 days. The next one, the champion one, they are in no order, no particular order. The champion one would be 121%. You actually believe that, double your account pretty much in 40 days. Just that one. What do you think, David?
Insane, absolutely insane. It's incredible. I love these charts. I think they're brilliant. Just for anybody who might be new here, Vlad has actually minimized the backtesting results to the live trading, so you can see that it's from the 3rd of May, I believe I can see, to August at the bottom there. Is that right?
No, I've
no,
limited
sorry.
through live trading. You
Through
can
live
see
trading,
all of
yes.
the
So
0 months.
Okay, yes. So yeah, it's limited it through the live trading, so you can only see the live trading. You can't see the actual full back test. For the full back test, you can actually find them on. You'll be able to find them on the David Tech website as well.
Next one, we have a setup on Algo. The previous ones were on 1,000 units of Pepe or 1 unit of Pepe. I mean, who cares if it makes money? It doesn't count. 1 unit, 1,000 units, right?
Vlad,
we have.
Look at the comment. Hold on. Look at this comment, mate.
I guess I should be posting my results as well. I took a test account with $1,000, and in 3 months now 6,500 with all the David Tech
Congratulations!
on the side.
Oh man!
Wow!
Oh,
there you go, huge
being on
champion.
stream today. Yeah, man! Congratulations! That's brilliant. I'm very, very proud of you. Well done! Yay! That makes me happy.
Wow! I mean,
yes.
Congratulations again.
Congratulations, Mac. Fantastic.
I also have a fun experiment to show you guys at the end in this tab over here, but just let me go through all the charts. It's not really all of them. I just selected just a bunch of them, half of them actually. Then we have a setup on CI against the USDT on 35 minutes. I mean, so far so good. Both months are in profits. And then the last on LDO as well in the profits. Now, I have a very quick experiment. Let's just say we would have submitted these charts in June, like exactly this. Then we would just seen the performance in July, then have decided, okay, I like this July performance. Let me just go live with these strategies, link the bots, let them use 10x leverage and 10% out of the available capital all the time. Do you have any idea, David, how much money they would have made?
No idea whatsoever. None whatsoever.
Guys,
except for you
in the
kind
question,
of told me a little bit
comments.
earlier, but yes,
in the comments, what
I
do you
see a
think?
couple of questions. There's a couple of questions whilst people are thinking about it. How much, guys, do you think that Vlad would have earned if he would have traded these strategies? There's a couple of questions. Did I see 54% max drawdown? It may be the case. I'm not sure if there's 54. Yes, indeed it was. But all these strategies, because there's 1,200 of them, they're all back tested on 10% of portfolio and 10x leverage, so that they're all flattened on the same sort of amount, unless they're using dynamic leverage. Like you can see up here, it's 11, so it would have been a maximum of, I think it's maximum 25 that we put in there on dynamic leverage. So yes, it does look a little bit excessive, but of course you don't have to trade it. Well, nobody has to trade any of them, but the idea isn't to trade them on those excessive amounts. There's a back tester on the David Tech website. You can increase or decrease the amount of capital, and there's 1,200 strategies for you to back test. So yes, indeed, it is a bit of a big dip on the next drawdown, but we're not going to trade with these huge amounts of 10 and 10x.
Exactly. So for example, let me just break it down for everybody. Let's just say here it wouldn't be 100, it would be 1,000, and we would trade only this bot. So at some point we have gone down and then up to $1,090, $80. Then indeed we would have dropped down to like 640. But then in like 30 days later or something like that, we would be at I'm going to just reveal with everybody 1,200 so far in profits, because we already use $1,000 in the how do you call it, in the initial capital.
Yeah.
So it's
USA crypto
high
trader.
profits, high risks.
Yeah. Absolutely, yeah, absolutely. They're definitely US crypto trader. I've got a question for you, USA crypto trader. Which exchange do you use in the US? Because it's hard for us to find. Crypto Princess, how are you going? I'm ever so sorry for the misunderstanding earlier, Crypto Princess. Really, really sorry. I will be on your show next week if you still want me. Yeah, sorry for the misunderstanding. Unfortunately, we misunderstood which week I should have been on her show. What is the best way to trade during sideways markets? These strategies are back tested on all markets. the best way is to diversify your portfolio. As far as I'm concerned, in my personal situation, is to diversify your strategies, to use as many strategies as you feel comfortable with. Diversify them. All of these strategies are back tested on as much possible data as we can possibly find for each coin pair, and they go through sideways. They go through trending markets, and they do all right. Some of them are better in trends, some of them are better in markets. The best way to be profitable is to diversify. From the moment I joined, sorry to hear that. So somebody said that it's from the moment they joined 20 minutes ago, they received 4 to 5 friend requests. Unfortunately, yes. I'd love to find a way of banning these people, but they are already banned from my Discord. There is obviously some kind of sniper in there that doesn't have a David Tech name. He passes it on to fake David Techs, and unfortunately, please ban them and send a message to Discord saying that they are fake. Vlad, I've made you wait long enough, mate. Give us the results.
No problem.
How
So
much would
like a
you
short
have earned?
revision, how much we have made with $1,000 trading with 10x leverage, 10% out of the available capital all the time in the just last 12 days. The short answer would be another $1,200. So in just 12 days, you will have doubled your money and a little bit of extra. It's like 1.2 times, which is
incredible.
Crazy, incredible.
Crazy. And nobody doubts ChatGPT 5. I mean, ChatGPT 5 is the bee's knees, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, absolutely. No doubts. Henrik, what about your quantum flow? Man, I am so happy that you submitted those. Somebody debunked my indicators that I put, which have been the base of all of these strategies anyway, and I put loads of indicators which are open source onto TradingView. I got somebody who debunked my indicators, and you sent in some wonderful settings. So thank you very much. Smash that thumbs up. Yes, please, guys, please. We're trying to revive the channel, come back and do as many streams as we possibly can, going through all the trading, and yeah, we're trying to get back to live streaming with you, giving you updates on the accounts, algo trading. I think that we're probably one of the only really sort of transparent, profitable trading traders out there. Well, I try to be. So we're trying to get back to streaming. Open for discussion. Yes, indeed. I've got my account if I can get into it. Let me go over to here and try and if anybody's got any questions, guys, I'm going to try and put up a VPN on my computer so that I can show you the actual results of my actual trading. I suppose we could go through the buy a bit. Here we go. David Tech, you on your screen, aren't you, Vlad? Yeah. Okay, cool. David website, boom. Go to David Tech. I'm logged in. Right. Okay, we have another question very quickly. Felipe, Vlad, I'm too far from me. Could you read it while I'm just logging into my own website?
Okay.
Vlad, are you here? Or can you hear me?
Yes, I'm here. I was just checking the questions indeed. A reply from a USA exchange. Bitfinex is a good USA-friendly exchange. Okay, I believe we do have a connector in the works.
Yep, it's working. It's working. It's on the website.
Right, the digital ID from Palau. I heard that Palau ID loophole is getting to an end, unfortunately, with some of the 8-year exchanges at least. I'm not sure if it's a I don't know, like a global thing to the exchanges, but the Palau ID loophole is getting to an end. So
Yeah,
I
unfortunately.
suppose you must profit it as much as possible.
Yeah. Yes, unfortunately, it seems like less and less are accepting the Palau ID. So there was a request earlier about the $10,000 on here. Add to stage, remove, add to stage. So as you can see, there's the $10,000 that I added here and the 10K that I added here. There's also some kind of something weird that's here. So I need to have a look at this. I'm not sure what I've actually done. I actually added it to, but anyway, there's the $10,000 and $10,000 here. I'll have a look on it. Otherwise, it's also on the Excel spreadsheet. You can see them both there. You can see my trades as well on the website, as well as on the actual Excel spreadsheet, which is updating daily as well. Somebody asked a bit earlier also about how to find the best strategies. Currently, the best idea is just to literally load this page. You load this page here. You can find, first of all, the trending strategies. This will bring up some of the most popular strategies that the community is looking at the moment. So generally, most people in the community are sharing with each other the best strategies. So as you can see, this one here was number 1, and you can see why. It's the ARB strategy we were talking about earlier. And you can see that it's been doing very, very well. Bit of a pullback in the past couple of days, but nothing particularly to worry about. I've tried to add this thing here, which allows us to add some extra confluence to see whether or not that equity curve is just pulling back to the MA or not. A bit of extra features there. Yeah, so you can find it from there. The most important thing is to feel comfortable with the strategies that you're looking at. Things like win rates. Be careful with win rate, or not be careful, but make sure that you'll feel comfortable with max losses in a row. You can see the max losses in a row here. Max consecutive losses in a row, max consecutive losses in a row, max wins in a row, those kind of things that you go through. Incubation data is live trading, so you can see from here the trading strategy with compounding effect has absolutely gone wild. I know that this has been one of the pillars of the David Tech strategies, this one here. I mean, fantastic strategy and so simple, so simple. So simple as a strategy. And it's doing extremely well. So I'm very proud of this one. Very proud of it. Even though it wasn't me that found the settings, it was Mr. Gentle Sir himself. I believe so. This one says homework, but I think it was Gentle Sir. Yeah, Gentle Sir. Over here. Gentle Sir himself that found this one. So congratulations to him. Profit factor of 2.1, which is very, very important. Then you can just go through the search engine here. You go down once you've gone through these ones here. This here brings up the most profitable, or starts with the most profitable strategies. There's 1,200 strategies. This table has 463 of them. It's generally the profitable strategies at the moment that are on the front page. It's already been filtered down, and you can see that the equity curve generally look pretty good on the first page. And this is a good indicator as well for helping you to find anything that's like a bit of a brighter green. Generally, it's a weighted between the EV, the win rate, the number of trades and all of that. It's a weighted statistic that helps you to find the better strategies. Then you click on any one of them. We'll click on this one here. And you can just see from, it's the same strategy, unfortunately. Yeah, so you can see from the backtest in green and then the pink live trading that this one is doing as well in live trading, if not better in live trading than it is in the backtest. So you can see whether or not it's a trading strategy that's suitable for you. Things that I look at is number of trades. This has a total of 801 trades. So that is, for me, is plenty of trades as a backtest. You can see the number of trades in the live test. It took 500 in backtest, and then took another like 300 in the, that's a little bit more, 300 in the live test. So you can see it's actually been backtested. Let me remember how to get to the actual incubation date there. Been in live trading since 2024 10/15. So it's been in live trading. So all doing very, very well. So this one here is doing well. And I'd look for strategies that then generally look like that. Then we have a search engine as well, where you can, once you know what you're looking for, you can sort of filter them down. You can click here and go to the advanced, and you can go, right, okay, I'm looking for something that's got a profit factor of over 2, because I know that generally the profit factors of over 2 are good. So I look for a number of 2. David said that anything over 100 odd trades, I'd go higher because there's so many strategies now. I'd go for like 200 trades. Anything that's got 200 trades means that it's been backtested on a good number of trades, and then you can just select the assets. I'd nail it down to a couple of assets in the top 100 coins and on market cap, and start with that at first, because they're generally the ones that have the least amount of slippage. And that's how I'd go about finding them. And you've got these things here which help you to find better ones. Yeah, and then this here is cool as well because it allows you to diversify a bit better. I need to improve on this and add some more titles in here, but you can see some of them are trend following, some of them are external indicators. A lot of them are trend following, but there's plenty of tools for you on David Tech to try and diversify and see how your strategy would diversify over time. So that was how I would use the search engine to try and find the best settings. And what I'm trying to do, guys, is just trying to make things a little bit easier. I'm trying to talk with the exchanges to make it so that you can add your exchanges easier, because none of this actually happens. We're not an exchange in the slightest. We're using the APIs from the exchange, so it sends signals and automatically trades for you, so you don't have to. Watching from YouTube. Hi, Edward. How are you going? Pleased to see you. Guys, if you have any questions about algo trading, we're doing okay ourselves. So if you have any algo trading questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Gonna have a look to see how some live trades are going. But how's your portfolio looking at the moment?
Currently, very busy. A lot of updates. Because again, I'm using AI to balance my portfolio of bots based on their performance. And it's not really like you do, for example, like 10x with 10x leverage. It's something like 5x leverage with 10%. Oh, another trade. Move to 6x leverage and 12%. Oh, loss moved down to 3x and 3% out of the portfolio, and so on. It's something crazy. However, I'm yielding, so I'm very happy.
No, good. Cool. Nice to hear, mate. Nice to hear. We can search by pair names. Hi, Marco. Is that Marco? Yeah, Marco. How you going, mate? Nice to see you. We can search by pair names to get 200 results. Yes, that was an old feature on the website. I haven't added back. There is the old search engine, but I certainly will look at adding. Let me add that to. I'm sharing my screen at the moment, so I won't add it to Trello. Marco, remind me in Discord, and I certainly will add it back. Guys, if there's anything you want added to the website or anything, I'm quite happy to add it. We're trying to build. There's a couple of things that I've promised in the past that I haven't been able to do, like update the boilerplate for all of the strategies. I'd absolutely love to, but there's just so many strategies now that it's very, very hard without causing problems for all of the old setups. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to build a new boilerplate. Well, it's already built. It's been built for a long while. I've added loads of things like Markov and Markov probabilities and things like that into it to make it even more profitable. And what I've tested has made it a lot more profitable. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the best strategies. I'll do it here either live on YouTube or in a video where I'll go through the strategy and then I'll release it either under a new name or something like that, so that we don't have to update and screw up any old setups that we've got. But anything that you guys can think of certainly would add. I was trying to do yes, that sounds cool.
Me personally, I'm doing a more direct approach. I'm just updating my model, which currently, can I say the model name? The Gemini 2.5 Pro. It's
Oh.
not advertising or something. It's just that it has the most tokens available. Like it has an output token of about a count of about 1 million. So there is enough
Yeah,
time
more there.
until I just have to reset everything. That's the whole reason. Currently,
Yeah.
I believe GPT-5 uses 126,000, so it's like close to 8 times more the output
Okay.
data. So yeah, I guess it's way superior. Enough with the advertising. Google doesn't pay
No.
me. And I just uploaded the AI based on my bot's performance. Like I said earlier, hey, another trade. It was a win on that bot. Okay, it knows how much percentage I use, it knows how much leverage, and it has. Then it tells me, hey, update with these stats. It tells me a different percent size and of course a different leverage. It's something that I do daily. I don't do like there's another trade. I just jump into the AI and change my future trade. No, just once a day, which takes a lot of time. But yeah, I'm happy.
Yeah.
I should be having
also
a webinar
working, yeah.
inside. Oh, excuse me, Dave.
Okay, no, go for it. No, go for it, mate. Go for it, please.
I should be having a webinar inside Discord about my approach, which I hope I can get the presentation done by tomorrow. So in the next Discord event, it should be ready, if not the day after.
Oh, looking forward to that.
Depends on how much time we stay in here, I guess.
Yeah, absolutely. No, yeah, looking forward to it, mate. AI is, everybody knows that AI is insane. I use it daily. We are working on a rebalancing bot, which will. But the first and most important thing is that it alerts you if it feels that one of the strategies may be maybe losing its edge. For example, if it feels that our bot has come to the end of its reign of glory, and it's decided that it should alert everybody, and it will send out a message to everybody to say, okay, this bot isn't performing as well. It may be time to turn it off or rebalance or whatever. That's the first kind of AI bot that we're working on. The second one is rebalancing bot, which will help you to add more equity to the bots that are working, and it will just give you advice on whether or not a bot is potentially is doing well and things like that. So it's really, we're working on the rebalancing bots. Other than that, it's more the strategy bots, which are coding strategies and building strategies. So yeah,
exciting future.
Yeah, it is. I absolutely love it. GPT-5, although it's gone through quite a lot of bad stuff on Twitter, I think the GPT-5, I love Claude 4.1. It's amazing for coding, absolutely incredible. But GPT-5 as well is absolutely fantastic. Not so much of a fan of Google myself, but it is what it is. We've got most Spotify strategies aren't working anymore. What does not working mean? That they're not profitable, or they've just stopped working? That would be amazing. Yes, Twitter is. Yeah, I'm not going to read the last bit. Cool, guys. Yes, so we're going well. Going good. The $10,000. So I set up alongside with these. This is on another account. So this is other ones. I wanted to try and be even more transparent, because it's nice me giving you Excel spreadsheet, but there is no proof that I'm not just hiding behind fake trades or whatever. So I've also built a couple of copy trading accounts as well on Bybit. Also, I'm doing it on 2bit as well, and also on Blowfin. I set up 2bit and Blowfin yesterday, so there won't be any data on 2bit. There isn't any trades there currently at the moment, but there will be doing copy trading on there. On the Bybit accounts, let me share. Not sure how you go over to them. You can see. I go to maybe to be trading here. Can I see my profile somewhere? In my copy trading, where can I see my profile? Let me pull this over here very quickly. Make sure I'm not giving away any sort of. That's not
Millions.
Anyway, no, it's not that. It's more the. No, I'm not on the Millions account. That's another account. My profile, that's what I was looking for here. Right. So you can see on Bybit, you can see the performance over 790 days. This one is one of those bots where it doesn't do fantastic through sideways. It's very much more of a trend following bot. You can see it takes lots of small losses on sideways moving markets, and then just takes some really big wins, which is cool. I mean, that's what it was designed for. Currently has a 60% win rate, so not doing too bad. Max drawdown is 3% and is currently up. It's not quite 90 days. I think it's closer to the 60 days, but up 19% in the 60 days. So in 2 months, and then we have a couple of other accounts as well. If I go to Mr. Chateau here as well, Mr. Chateau, I'm going to have to refresh this page and go over there. Let me refresh the page here. I go to Mo Profile again. Mr. Chateau is designed slightly differently. This one seems to be going up most of the time. I mean, last 7 days, last day or two hasn't done fantastic, but we go 90 days. As you can see, it's much more of a steady upwards movement. 60% win rate, 3% max drawdown as well, and we've had 18% over the time. So close on the same. I mean, like I said, my average over per month is like 13% on the other accounts here. It's not got all the exact same strategies on it, but we got another one as well, which is this one here, which I can do here as well again. This one here. Now, if I go over my profile here, another one here, and there is a 4th account, which I'll try and find the link for in a second as well. This one here, 90 days. This one is very much using the ARB strategy as a pillar. So up 3% in 7 days.
Don't mind the Pepe name, right?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. It started off with the Pepe. It's got the Pepe and the ARB strategy. It's mainly on those two there. Yeah, and it's doing good. It's doing good. I mean, up 26%. 51% win rate shows you that not necessarily the win rate is the most important thing, because it is made the most profit. Max drawdown 5.5%, a little bit more. Had 82 wins and 78 losses. So if you can see it through 78 losses, it's a good strategy. I mean, the equity curve looks fine to me as far as I'm concerned. Probably better than most copy traders out there. So yeah, so trying to be, like I said to everybody, this has got 10% profit sharing. So that obviously, it's not giving you an edge. So find the strategies. They're all in that Excel spreadsheet that I shared earlier. If I can finally remove these off the chart here, if you can see the Excel spreadsheet, you can put the Excel spreadsheet. You've got directly the strategies from David Tech. Where the hell is it gone? Over here. Excel spreadsheet. Where did I put the Excel spreadsheet, lad? No. Anyway, yeah, so the Excel spreadsheet that I shared earlier in the chat, go through that. You'll be able to find the strategies on there. It's easy enough to find them. I'm trying to find the blooming thing. Where is it? It's in the chat. I know it is. I'm scrolling up. Guys, where have I put the Excel spreadsheet? There it is. This thing here. I can't copy it. Oh, well. Anyway, so yeah, the Excel spreadsheet. You'll be able to find the Excel spreadsheet, go through all of the strategies that I put on there, and you can connect it directly to the API. If you've used the David Tech link, you get less fees. You can add these directly to the exchange with our API connector, and you don't have to pay 10%, which obviously gives you even more edge. Main idea of the copy trading was just literally to be even more transparent, so you can see all of the trades. You can see the trades that I'm taking. You can see the equity curve as it evolves, whether it continues to work or not. Only time will tell. But over the past 100 and I think it was 90 days, I can't remember how many days it was, 90 days or so, whatever it said on their website, certainly has been very good to us over 90 days. 90 days. That's 90 days on. Right. So yeah. So been good. So it's just another layer of transparency so you guys can see how we're trading. And that was pretty much everything we've gone through. I think we've gone through most things, Vlad.
I guess that's pretty much it as well. Mine.
Yeah, cool. Been here for an hour. There's 164 people watching us across the platforms. Nice to be back. We will go through more trading tomorrow. I'll go through do you want to see some of the trades that we've maybe got open before we go? Some of the entries. Let's have a look at some of the entries. We have not that many trades open, if I remember. Here we have a Pepe. So this is the Pepe account open. Currently in a long. I think it's the only long the bots have taken in the past couple of days. They're more were shorting, as you can see. So yeah, recently a Pepe entry here. The entry was at, and you can see the stop loss and take profits. There you go on the screen. Here and here. And then we have the entry was at 0.01118169. That was the Pepe entry for that one there. This one here was based on our indicators, obviously, based on the JMA strategy. Great strategy. And then we have a couple of others. Let's go over and see Mr. Chateau here. Let's see if he's got any trades open. I believe that this one's in 2 shorts, which probably going to take some losses. No, he has no trades open, so it's got to be the other one, Lambo guy. 2 shorts open, unfortunately. We'll see. I mean, he's a much better trader than I am. I'm a terrible manual trader, but a great bot trader. So currently, as you can see on Sol, it has 2 shorts open. We'll see what happens with that. And then a near strategy has pinged off another short as well. There's our 2 entries there. So that's the 2 entries on Bybit. And that's all we got. Any other questions? There's quite a few chats. Let's go down here. So much Alpha. Thank you both. Thank you very much for joining us. If we run, yes, absolutely. Going to continue. DJ, are the bots? DJ, are the bots currently on the website? They will be on the website for today. There by the end of the day or tomorrow morning. There's 100 new bots being added to the site, and I've got to say they are exceptional. I mean, they really are fantastic. Now, I'm not saying every single one of them is, and some of them aren't, but we really have the elite backtesters. Not myself, although I do participate, and so does Vlad. But not myself, but the elite backtesters really have come a long way in a year and a half. I mean, the quality of the backtests are absolutely amazing. So they'll be added to the site today or tomorrow morning. I'm currently going through them. I've managed to clean the charts because I do have to go through every single one and clean the charts before I have to set up an alert. I have to copy them onto multiple accounts for backups. I have to do all of that manually, so that's why it's taking so long. But hopefully for tomorrow morning, they'll be on there. What is your Blowfin copy trading username? Mine hasn't got any real data on it at the moment, so it'll be under David Tech. I've got David Tech. I've got quite a few accounts ready to roll. David Tech, Mr. Chateau, Lambo guy. If you go over to Blowfin, I mean, this is Blowfin. Go over to Blowfin. I mean, this is what I'm so bloody proud of. I mean, after you guys telling me earlier that you're up to 6,000%, fantastic. But it's just the number of these traders. I've got to find some of them. I can't remember. There's a couple here. Let's go top RNI. Let me try and find one that I can remember. This guy here, David Tech Bot. Absolutely lovely guy, fantastic guy. He's on Bybit, in the top Bybit. There's tons of David Techs in the leaderboards. I don't know all of them, obviously. A couple of people reached out to me yesterday, telling me that they were in the leaderboard as well, and didn't realize. And then we go over to here to Blowfin. Don't know how Reed's going. I know he was in the leaderboard yesterday. So obviously, let's go over. If I go down here, no, he's not in today. Okay. I go here. There we go. We have Reed here. So we have this one here, and I don't know where his other one is. But anyway, so there was 2. There was the top 2 traders were this guy here. Absolutely lovely guy as well. does fantastic, and their David Tick strategies as well. That's the highest copier P&L, which is probably the best metric out there. Don't know if he's in the top. He was in the top as well. There you go. He's there as well, but also on he's got other ones in the top as well. So yes, so you'll be able to find them all in the leaderboards. Very proud of that. Congratulations to them. Guys, if you haven't got any other questions, is there any other questions? Can we add Hyperliquid Exchange? Certainly we are working on it. Something that I want to get involved in a lot more. I love the exchange. I think that's fantastic. A real move into the DeFi world. Love to finish. We're just coding, testing, backtesting. DeFi has been a bit of a problem for us connecting them over to the to these kinds of exchanges. It's a lot harder than it is to get onto things like Bybit and all of that. So yeah, we're doing our best to get on there. Guys, I think I've been through all the questions. If there's anything you'd like me to talk about or Vlad even, any of us you'd like us to talk about while we're on the stream, please don't hesitate to put it in Discord. I'm here to do my best to reveal anything that I may have learned over the past couple of years. We've been here for, I keep saying it's like 2 years, but it's actually closer on 4 years now, I think. Must be about 4 years, isn't it? Yeah, 4 years we've been doing David Tick. Now, it started as a indicator backtest, and then it was only like November last year that we really thought about building a website and converting everything into real bots. So the actual bot idea is very, very new still. We started the elite backtesters, where we had this like private journal where we were sharing, what was it called? Incubate.trade, I think it was called. Yeah, we were privately sharing. Yeah, man. Privately sharing between all of us the settings, and then we decided to build what we've got today. Thank you very much, mate. Nice to see you. Thank you very much for all the wonderful comments and chat. We'll be back tomorrow, guys. Thank you very much for joining us. It's been a pleasure being here. And like I said, if we can be of any help to anybody to become a profitable algo trader, we're here to share whatever we've learned since all this time. Take care, everybody. Vlad, nice to see you, mate.
Pleasure,
see you very
as always.
soon. Yeah. All right. Take care, everybody. Thanks, Crypto JGD. Nice seeing you, everybody. Thank you very much, William. William, we need you on the stream, man. Whenever you're ready, come back on the stream with us. Take care, everybody. Have a wonderful day, and we'll get all of those new setups on the website, and we'll go through the new setups tomorrow. Take care, guys. Have a wonderful day. I've got to find that button. I do this every stream. I never learn. I never learn.
Goodbye, everyone.
Right. No, don't go goodbye yet. I've got to find the button on the website. Okay, guys. Take care. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.